All right, and welcome. Today we're going to do a quick overview of how to take a radiator fan. This is just the radiator down in there. The smaller fan is for the AC. So we're taking the big guy out. First I started off by getting the part number, which is this guy right here for this car. There are several different types. You see that last letter, F, it says 455F. It's the same part number, and then the last letter is different. So make sure you get the F, the one that ends in F, the whole part number plus that. But I was able to sneak my phone down in there, take a picture of this, and then order it online. I got this from ECS Tuning. That's these guys. You can go online, put all your car info in, and get your stuff. So to take this out, first I start off with taking these out, just 3 screws. These pieces of plastic are for the headlight. So you pop that out. That allows you to get a little bit more room in there. Then you got 3 bolts. That's these guys. You're going to need a couple Torx wrenches. So you should have a Torx set if you're working. That's this star nut style. It's not an Allen wrench. It's a Torx bit. So then I got my radiator fan, and also I double checked. I put the new one up to this one to make sure it's the right size. But once you get the 2 bolts off, you have this 3rd bolt, which is kind of hidden all the way down there at the bottom. So you got to grab this guy. This was here holding that on. You pop that off, and that's just a pry clip that you take off. You got to get it out of there. And then there's one other holder down there that you got to pop it out of. So you got to get under the car and do that. So to get under the car, I just popped that guy out. And that was another smaller Torx, I think like a Torx 10, to get that out, 10 or 15. To get that out. And that bolt was this little guy. So popped a couple of those out. We got that. So then I'm gonna pop these bolts out. This is pretty easy repair. It's a little like hard working in the tight space down here, but it's pretty straightforward. You take the 3 bolts out of here. Then I'm gonna take these 3 bolts, plug it back in, and then bolt it back in. And when you do unplug it, this is what the plug looks like. The other end you have to push down to unclip that little notch. I'll take you down into the depths here and show you what that looks like. So that's this guy. Let me see if I can get my hand down in here. Bear with me for 1 minute. So yeah, that's what that guy looks like, the other end. And as you can see, there's that clip. You got to push the far end of that down to unclip it. But that's it. It's a little tough because you got to get down in here. If you do have the ramps to lift the car up off the ground, I'd recommend it. If not, you can just make do with doing it like this. So that's it. Cool. That's changing a radiator fan on a 2002 Volkswagen Jetta. This is the 2.0, so it's not the turbo. So this is the smaller engine. Yeah, so find your part number. Boom, right there. Get the right size fan. There's several different sizes. And then start popping the bolts out and throwing the new guy in. Cool. Thanks for joining me, and have a good one.